See this flashing here? This isn't even adhered. That's bad. There's corners aren't even done right. Nothing's tight, nothing's got inside corners. This boot's got a big thing and it was just tarred on. It's gonna fail in no time. This hasn't even been cut tight. The wind's just gonna grab it. Look at that. This roof is bad, man. The old tar here, they said they tore it off. This is a hole just waiting for water to go into. They put some roof cement there. They never finished this end. This is actually ripped. This roof is ripped. This is the same type of flashing with the bubble there. I didn't do anything to it. It's just like that. And then right here, you can see where they rolled this in. This is all sitting higher. See that? And it's not even terminated correctly. They just took a screw and a cap nail. There's no termination bar, slip flashing, drip edge, anything. Apparently it leaked the other day because they put more roof cement around it. Now this is a brand new roof, remind you. Every one of these walls is not adhered. See? It's a bubble. Look at that big hole right there. Right there, big hole. Yeah. This roof is, there's no T-patch here between the seams, you can see. All this, look at this, got cuts right here. Cut to get it to fit in there. Now this roof is, gotta be replaced. This is Tim, Constructors 911. I don't want to do a whole long spiel on it because all over the place it's bad. You can just look at it and get a good feel even though it's a brand new roof. I would recommend to tear it off because I don't even know that the base sheet here is even nailed down right because I can feel like little bubbles when I walk around on it. They torched this roof down. However, the base sheet is what holds the roof down after you actually adhere it when you torch it. And if that doesn't have the right nailing pattern, which we cannot see, this thing's doesn't have a shot even staying up here for any amount of time with wind and all that. This is Tim, 911. I'm out. Have a good one.